Hey y'all, today I decided to play myself and do a makeup challenge. And if you didn't already see the title, which obviously you clicked on it, it's the 10-minute makeup challenge. And on top of that, to add a little, a little spice to that, I am going to use my makeup bag, which I carry in my purse. So there may or may not be missing items, there may be one lash. We don't know how this is gonna go. I don't know what's in there. I know what's in here, but when you just grab any little thing, every day I take out items, I put in items. So we just gonna have to work with whatever's in here in 10 minutes. I don't know why y'all like to see me. They don't want to see me win. Y'all don't want to see me win because 10 minutes is not really a lot for me to do, but we just gonna see. I'm not even gonna open it. So if you want to see me play myself, then please keep on watching. Hold up, before that, hold on, stop the music, pump the brakes, pause the song, give me the aux cord real quick. Subscribe to my channel. You're already here, you might as well pause it. Go on and subscribe if you haven't already. If you did, you loyal, you smart, you beautiful. By the way, shout out to my skin, y'all. Yes, skincare routine coming soon. I know you guys been waiting on that. It's definitely coming soon. And I'm rambling now. Let's get on to the video. Okay, we're a little closer. I should take off this jacket because it's about to get real. Should I do that? Yeah, we could take this off. Because I know I'm going to need full mobility to do this. Estamos ready. We got a couple of my favorites in here, of course, because we use it every day. So it might not be that bad. I got to set a timer. I'm going to put a timer somewhere around here. Okay, we're starting right now. My ring falling off, y'all. I'm already falling apart and we're only 7 seconds into the thing. Okay. Don't panic, relax. I got a little bag of brushes that I walk around with too, some lashes up in there. And then I just kind of throw my setting powder in my book bag. I'm talking too much and I'm gonna play myself watch. First, let me start with foundation. I'm gonna go in with my NARS Pro Longwear situation. Don't judge me, we are rushing. Like, I got 10 minutes. My friends are outside waiting for me. I told them I was ready. I told them I was coming downstairs and I only got 10 minutes. I'm gonna try to get this on as quick as possible. Oh my god, we're already going into 2 minutes. I want to know who told me to do this. Like, why did I put this kind of pressure in my world? Why did I put that kind of energy right now? Okay, I guess that's gonna have to do because we up to 2 minutes right now and 8 seconds. Okay. Concealer. El concealer, señores, ¿dónde está? Oh my god, I can't find my concealer. Okay. For concealer, I'm using Kylie Cosmetics in the color Maple. I'm just kind of gonna slap this on. I'm about to dub y'all and just not say anything and do my makeup because if I keep talking, it's gonna be over for me. Yeah, that's enough blending. Okay, I'm gonna set that concealer with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, the Morphe fluffy brush. This was my blush brush. What is the first thing I saw? Yo, if my face looks red after, cause it's looking alright. It's not doing me dirty just yet. Okay, 4 minutes. Oh my god, my eyebrows. I'm using this little pencil that I got from BoxyCharm to line my eyebrows. Oh my, stop looking at the time. Horrific. This is just... Ay, que lío. One of them is bigger than the other, I think. We're not gonna judge. Who are you to judge me? You know? And I'm gonna go in with the MAC brush strokes liner because, you know, I'm extra like that and we're just gonna create little hairs. How you extra in a rush? Like, sis, do them brows and keep it pushing. Okay, I'm gonna try to see if I have time to clean it up. Let's see if I can clean these brows up, because these brows look nuts right now. They need Jesus. Okay, yeah. Oh my, this brush has pink on it. Oh God. I don't care, it's staying like that. Listen, we don't got time. I got 5.5 minutes to get this done. My friend's about to leave me. They left me before. Yo, I'm sitting here trying to make it even and cute and stuff. Like, we got time for that. We're good. I don't have time for the most right now. Okay, next. Let me contour. This is stressful. Why ain't y'all telling me this is stressful? I'm using my Hoola bronzer. With my little pink under eyebrow. Got a little pink highlight to it. Don't even pay no mind to that. Alright, I think I need to stop because I got 3 minutes. MAC Extra Dimension in Hushed. I ain't got time to read. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. I ain't got time. Boom. We blushed. For highlight, I'm using Mírame. I got no highlighter brush. Amazing. Wow, I just stabbed the whole gash in my highlighter. Great, great. This is just going amazingly. I'm just gonna take this random thick powder brush to highlight because I don't got time right now. It ain't no time. It ain't no time. It ain't no. Oh my God, it's so wrong. How many of y'all done y'all makeup in 10 minutes? Let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. How am I doing? How am I looking? Do I look crazy yet? Ja? How many minutes we got left? Ooh. I'm gonna be a brave soldier. I'm gonna do some shadow. I'm gonna use the Kylie Cosmetics Vacation Palette. Eyes creasing like no other. Real quick. We just gonna go whole lid. Oh my God, I got 1 minute. 1 minute. Would you? Un minuto. Like when you call your Uber and that when you call your Uber and the Uber is right there and you thought it was gonna give you like 5 minutes and you ain't ready, looking out here like Mr. Krabs. Que reguero. This look is a mess. Oh my god, I got seconds. Wait. What am I missing? Wait, stop. Wait. I can't. This is too much. Okay. Mascara. Mascara. Oh my god, I have no lip gloss on. That's it. Ain't nobody got time for all of that. What's in here? Some lip gloss. I got 4 seconds. Done. Hold on. I look. Wait, let me look at it. Wait. Oh my god. It look alright. We looking alright. We look alright. It's okay. 10 minutes. Boom. Call my friends. Yo, I'm coming down right now. The elevator was stuck. I had to rush down the stairs. We did it. We got a little mascara right here. I have mascara on the outer half of my lashes and not the inner. My eyebrows need they need a prayer right now. My eyebrows need a quick prayer. One time we all gather right now and, you know, do a quick prayer for my brows, because this is not, it's not cute. But we had 2 minutes. I got bronzer right here, but I don't have right here. Y'all can't see it because I'm far away from the camera, but this mirror does not lie. For a cute little, ooh, I throw a Snapchat filter on this, and listen, I'm getting ready to look like 1,000. Snapchat got me for that reason only, because I don't even mess with Snapchat no more. I needed eyeliner. I ain't do no eyeliner, but ain't nobody got time. You lucky I got out with a whole look, a whole halo look. Look at that. Boom. This was fun though. This was exciting. It gets your blood rushing and stuff. So yeah guys, this is the final look. And my camera overheated in the middle, so I had to literally stop midway concealer, fix whatever was going on there, put the timer back on. Whew. I'm overwhelmed. I need a coffee. But we made it. My makeup bag looks like a tornado hit it. Whenever you need 10 minutes and you're gonna run out the door, just put on my video and just do this thing with me. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this challenge as much as I did. Like if you liked it. Don't play me. I know you loyal, you smart. I know you're gonna like this video. I'll catch you on the next one guys. Bye. I'm done. Take it away. Take everything away. Where the hell did I get hot pink shadow from on that brush?